this is Claudia. Today I'm going to talk about vegan diets and veganism. So there's been quite a bit of interest lately, especially with the release of the Netflix documentary called The Game Changers. So I wanted to explain first of all what the pros are, what the cons are, and just to inform you a little bit more about it. So veganism is if you abstain completely from animal products. So no dairy, no meat, no eggs, nothing. Okay, so there's quite a few benefits to it. You are reducing your animal fat intake, which is the saturated fat, so you can have a reduced risk of heart disease. Generally, vegan diets are quite high in fiber, which can be good for your gut, and you're getting a lot of fruits and vegetables in, so you're getting a lot of antioxidants in and vitamins and minerals. It can also reduce your risk of cancer if you're following a well-balanced vegan diet, and that is compared to the standard American diet. So there's definitely some good pointers there, but you just have to be careful. There are a few vitamins and minerals and macronutrients as well that are more difficult to get in with a vegan diet. So first thing that comes to mind is probably protein, and that is correct. So vegan diets don't rely on animal protein. So you're going to get it from plant origins. So things like legumes and beans and things like that, that is a very good source of protein. Things like quinoa as well. So what you can also do is to make the proteins complementary. Animal products have all of the essential amino acids in. Plant proteins have certain ones in. So certain plant proteins have these essential amino acids, other ones have other ones. So if you combine them, then you can make a complete protein out of them. Grains, legumes, and nuts. So if you, for example, combine grains and legumes or grains and nuts or vice versa, those three, if you combine them in any combination, you can make a complete protein. That's also very good. And another protein, things like soy, it's a very high quality proteins, okay? So there's a few ideas for you. So you don't have to be deficient in protein if you are vegan. You just have to plan a little bit more. A big one is B12. So you can actually only get B12 from animal products, and this is the most, I would say, one of the most common deficiencies. You can get it from fortified foods, so fortified cereals that are vegan, or then you have to take a supplement. So this is something you have to watch out for. Another thing is iron. So iron you typically get from your eggs, from your meat and such, and the iron from animals are better absorbed versus the iron from plants. So you can still get it from plants, but it's not as easily absorbed. So things like spinach, for example, as I'm sure you know, Popeye, right? The iron. So get it from those plant sources, but then make sure you have a vitamin C source that helps absorb the iron. So vitamin C, such as broccoli, such as peppers, citrus fruits, all of those, they help absorb it. Another mineral is calcium. So if you're going to cut out dairy completely, you're going to have to get your calcium from someplace else. So fortified rice milk or soya milk, something like that, you can get it in, and fortified cereals as well. Otherwise, your leafy greens are also very good sources of calcium, but you're going to have to eat quite a lot of it to get it in sufficiently. Then omega-3 fatty acid, that is an essential amino acid. You mostly get it from fish, such as salmon, pilchards, sardines, and it's very good for your brain and for your skin. And it is essential, meaning you have to take it in, you can't make it in your body. Okay, so if you can't get it in from fish, you're going to have to go for sources like walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and the like. So you can also get it from plant sources, but once again, it's not utilized as efficiently in the body as from an animal source. Zinc you get in your animal products, but you can also get it from your plant products. So whole grains, legumes, your fortified cereals and the like. Zinc is very important for the immune system, for sexual maturation in children, for wound healing. So it's another thing that you might just have to look out for a bit more in the vegan diet. So I would definitely say that those are some of the main ones that you need to look out for. Obviously there's quite a few other ones, but those are the most common deficiencies in my opinion. So a good vegan diet can be very beneficial for you. Lots of health benefits, but you do need to plan a little bit. If you're unsure, or if you aren't able to meet your goals that you've set in terms of your body weight or your body composition or your health results, it's best to see a registered dietitian, because they will be able to guide you then, assess your unique situation, and then help you accordingly.